Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, international makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this beautiful rose gold cat eye look that suits very well brown eyes, but not only brown eyes but every eye color, so it's universally flattering look. On a clean skin, I'm applying this toner to balance the skin, and then the next step is hydration. I will start with the day serum and then a moisturizer as well. Then the lip mask, of course, don't forget to hydrate your lips always. And then I'm gonna use my 2 priming steps technique. I'm gonna start with the blurring primer only on the center of the face where I don't want any shine at all. And then I'm gonna use this beautiful luminizer, which is an amazing product because it blurs the skin and it gives a super subtle, beautiful glow. And I'm gonna apply it all over the face.
Sound right, boys.
For foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. This is a very lightweight foundation. It looks super natural on the skin, unlike any other stick foundation I've tried before. And then for concealer, I'm going to apply it in the key areas, and I'm also going to highlight a little bit underneath the eye. And then for cream blush, I'm going to use this one by Patrickta. I love the formula. It looks so fresh and youthful on the skin. And because I want to use more creams today, I'm going to also cream contour. This is the Kat Von D cream contour. And then for highlight, I'm going to apply the exact same highlight as I apply as a base on the face because it has such a beautiful sheer glow.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
I also want to highlight the tip of the nose and the nose bridge as well. I'm going to use this one by Estee Lauder, and then I'm going to set the face with some powder. I love this powder because it blurs the skin so beautifully. eyes are gonna be super easy for today. Anybody can achieve this look. You start with this cream shadow, you apply it all over the lid. It's a universally flattering color. It works on any eye color, any eye shape, any eye in general. So it's a very pretty color that makes your eyes pop. And then I'm gonna also set it with a similar color eyeshadow because I wanna make sure that it lasts all day long. I'm gonna do the same thing on the lower lash line as well. And I'm gonna warm up the crease using this beautiful eyeshadow by Huda Beauty.
It sound right, boys.
To add a little bit of depth to my look, I'm gonna use this beautiful brown liner. This is the shade Chocolate by Cupio. And then I'm gonna also brush up the brows using my 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. And I'm also gonna create some hair strokes using the brow pen by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the eyes are pretty done.
It sound right, boys.
To finish off the face, I'm now going back on the same blush and I'm applying the powder version of it just a tiny little bit so that I can intensify the blush. And then I'm also going to do the same thing on the highlight area as well. And for the lips, I will start by lining them with this beautiful nude lip liner by Patrick Ta. And then I'm going to use the Pillow Talk lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. And on top of that, I'm going to use the Sweet Mouth Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty because I want that glossy effect.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
You can tell I love this product because I used it everywhere. I used it on the face and now I'm using it on the body as well as a body blur. It looks so beautiful on the skin. So I'm basically just blending it on the chest area. And voila, this is the final look, and please make sure to recreate it because I'm sure it's gonna suit you so well. This is such a beautiful look that suits everybody, so enjoy it. And of course, if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me on your Instagram story so that I can share it on my story as well.
It sound white, boy. Big
sound right, boy.